Hey yo boys, what's going on guys? And welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are gonna do some amazing gaming. Yeah, whatever. Let me just turn this a little down because wait. Let's just add one 1% is good. Okay, so what do you even do in this game? So, like, I have a code of Russo for Russo pad. Russo. Okay, let's see the pad. Oh, 22 energy? Got another cool boys. I got another one. Okay, let's try to send somebody. Yes, mister. Holy God, what the heck is happening with my face? Okay, so, where are the codes again? Oh, there. So, wait, no. No. Isn't this how it? No, goddamn it. Wait, that was not. Wait, give me like 6 seconds, boys. Wait, wait, what? Wait, no. Go back here. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? Nothing, okay. Let's see how much the Russo pet gives us. Oh, the tofu, I mean. We can equip six pets and 25 own it. We can own. What is the best egg? 3. Broski, there are legendaries? We have to get that. The hell? I think this is the best one. I got a 1k from that. Bro, Jesus. I need one more of these. Holy moly. June group. What is this all about? I'll be required to claim. How much does a Reaper cost? Wait, is this a new island? That's the golden VIP access only. How much does the Reaper cost? Here, I think not. No. Where the heck are the... Ah, here. I can already Reaper. I mean, this is... Wait, so this is 5 tokens. For really good. Or I can get 3 of these. Oh, almost. And just give me a few seconds. Now I can open 3 of these. Ah, okay, I'm gonna open like 2 of these actually. 100%. The rare, so that one. Not bad, but. And the epic. And I got all those pets from that chest. Let's go, boy. Nah, I don't want to join any rails. I just want to equip my pets. 14 and then 8. So I got 4, 5, 6. I can buy 2 more. Or I need 2 more pets. Yeah, I got all pets. Holy, I'm fast. 1, bro. No, what the heck did I just do? One of these, I got over head. On the epic again, let's go, okay. I don't know how this is gonna look soon. So equip pets. This one has to get absolutely bodied. Wait, can I craft these? Wait, if I craft that one of any pets, I'll get a lot more. So let's do it. Let's go, I can craft this pet right here. to make it into, I don't know, golden or shiny. Duh. Okay. What the heck? I don't want to trade any of you. Trades off. I don't want to trade right now, nobody. Yes. Bro, it's still pretty nubby, but at least we get how much? 90 for stacking, bro. I need these right now. Bro, this gives us like, wait, so if I go for one of these, that just gives it, wait, okay. But there's one more. Like, 1,000. Now I can buy like a lot of these. And like 2 more things. Yeah, I can buy one more. Okay, go. I'm Gucci, broski. I'm absolutely Gucci. Wait, guys, can I craft any of these? I can craft this one and it makes like into 28, yeah. Now equip best. There you go. How much does this do? 400? Okay. Wait, when can I reboot? I'm gonna reboot. I'm spamming my mouse right now. I don't think you know how much I'm spamming my mouse. Reboot. I need that to boost my process life. I'm not done. Back at the speed that I want. Oh my god! Holy! Now I'm fast! Broski, I can already rebirth. Rebirth. I need another one of those. So this print. When can I rebirth? At 30k. So how many rebirths do I have? Wait. Oh, rebirths in RTS? What? How do you get even that RTS? You have to like do some parkour or what? Because you know me, I want RTS. I even know what that is. Get me back to my island. Okay, so how do you unlock islands? So 3 rebirths that I almost have. So I need one more rebirth and then I get how much I need. Skirt! That was not even worth it at all. It was. Wait, what? Where's it? Okay. What is the top guy with? Wait, am I the top guy? Nah. Like this, so the top guy is this guy right here. No. How in the heck did that even not count? Broski, I was so close. That's way too hard. I'm way too fast. I need to stop doing that jump, because if I do jumps further, there's no way I'm gonna get all the way up there. Wait, did I get it? Yes, I did. Let's go. Okay. That was like half a minute, right? More than oh yeah, more than a minute probably. I'm gonna do something seconds. This is the default egg, right? Wait, one rebirth required. Yeah, I got way more rebirths than one. I can already rebirth. Should I rebirth or should I raise? You know, raise, rebirth, rebirth. Raise or rebirth? Yes, I need this. I need these. Boom. Burn the whole time for this. Second place. Does that still count? Yes, it does. Let's go. What, the imposter egg? Come on, if I get one. How much is an imposter egg? Give you a crew mate. I want the imposter. Stupid. I want the imposter. Test man. Yes. Okay, so I'm spamming my mouse right now, boys. So I'm making sure that I keep filming. Let me look on my other monitor. Yes, sir, I'm filming. So finally, broski, what? I got 3 reapers, right? Yeah. I need to also win 3 races. What? I didn't know that. What? Okay. That had to count. Yes, it did. I have to be really fast and I'm staying on the goddamn mouse. If you don't hear that, just not cool. But I'm spamming my mouse right now. My mouse is probably gonna break soon. I'm just spamming my mouse right now. Wait, did my friend text me back? I texted him, but did he text me back? That's the real question. Nope. What? How in the world does that make any sense? Okay, I just almost left. Okay, let me do something. You guys can still see it, but right? Yeah, okay. So you guys are there, okay. Let me quickly join this guy's groups. Not groups. So join. I should be a member soon. Come on. Wait, this dude, what? I don't know. I thought for a second, wait, these guys made Pizza Simulator? Like, I will almost be like, what? Wait, I need to reset myself. Something that I can do. Okay, boys, I'm gonna come back when. Yeah. Wait, give me like 3 seconds. Wait, what? Wait. Okay, so let me just leave. It is okay. What the heck? Here. Maybe I'm gonna do a giveaway, maybe not. We don't know. I don't know. I didn't say anything. Okay. Well, now where's the group chest? That's not it. 100.99%. Yeah, by VIP. Yeah, blah blah blah. I don't have enough Robux. I have like 21. I just got 100K. Broski, that can save my money up like 100%. Oh, bro, I need to go to the bathroom. Oh, no, Joe. Joey Bowica Joe. Whoa. What the heck? Bro, I am so fast, no one can see me go. Let's go. Wait, can I buy one of these? Like this, like at least. That's no. And I need to go to the bathroom, boys. So yeah, I'm gonna come back. The video doesn't want to stop. Let me just do some figuring out issues. Yeah. Oh, that's a big one I need to go to. No. No. Yes. Yes, whatever, I don't care. Oh, god damn it, I cannot pause the video. Frick. Well, you just guys have to wait for like 10 minutes or something like that. I'm gonna come back. Or actually, you know what? I think we did some good stuff in this video. If you want a second episode, you know what to do. Like and sub to my YouTube channel. So yeah. Peace. Wait. Peace out, boys. Yeah.